Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add contact on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, to add the contact, you'll have to do is tap the plus icon on the right side of this screen to add the contact. Okay, you can add the name for my example, and now you can add the phone number. Tap the phone number and add the number. This is a example only, and after you enter the phone number and the name, tap the save button, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully saved the contact or add the contact to your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.